How to log out from Viber account on desktop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log out of your Viber account on desktop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Viber on your desktop. After you open up your Viber, here on the top, you will find a settings icon on the top right corner. Now, if you open up your settings icon on the top right, there you will see different options. Now, from the options here, you will notice that there is no option such as delete or log out and stuff like that. So what you can do instead of that is you will need to deactivate your account. You can deactivate your Viber on desktop. Here, go to privacy and security, and you'll find, if you scroll down a bit, an option called deactivate Viber on desktop. What this does is that it will delete your conversation from your Viber on desktop. All you have to do is tap on deactivate again. Doing that, you will simply have logged out of your Fiverr account on your desktop, and it's basically that simple. And that is all for today's video as well, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.